Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the image is readable. OCR struggles with low contrast or tilt, so straighten and crop if needed. Open the image in an app that supports text recognition, OneNote, the Photos app, or a browser with OCR. Once done, open Microsoft Word and create a new document so you can paste immediately. This is faster than saving extras. It keeps workflow simple and prevents loss of context because you'll move from recognition to editing without switching devices. You now run the optical character recognition step. If using OneNote, insert the image and right-click to copy text from picture. This extracts text and preserves line breaks roughly. If Word on your laptop offers image OCR, insert the picture, select it, and use the copy text or text from picture option. Alternatively, upload the image to Google Docs, open it, and let Docs convert the image into editable text. Make sure to select the entire extracted block before copying so you don't miss lines. Paste the copied text into Word and use Paste Special as unformatted text when possible. That prevents weird fonts or spacing. You then proofread. OCR often misreads 0/0, 1/I, commas, and hyphens, so correct numbers and punctuation. Format headings and paragraphs after cleaning the text. If frequent errors occur, retry OCR on a higher resolution image, change brightness/contrast, or try another OCR tool. Switching to a different engine usually fixes stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.